They told me the snow would be quiet, but when it fell, I still heard the rain. Back home, mornings smelled like rice and jasmine tea. Here, it smells like metal and cold. They laugh when I say things different, but I keep speaking anyway, because the wind never apologized for its accent. Maybe the snow isn't quiet after all. Maybe it just whispers in a language I haven't learned yet.